Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Fuel X Pro. This innovative device is an electronic fuel injection optimizer designed for modern engines. It continuously monitors and adapts to various engine and environmental conditions, ensuring optimal performance. By fine-tuning your bike's fueling, Fuel X Pro significantly improves throttle response and contributes to a much smoother overall engine operation. It's a smart way to enhance your riding experience. Installing your Fuel X Pro is a straightforward plug-and-play process, meaning no wire cutting is necessary, preserving your bike's original wiring. You simply connect the Fuel X Pro module in line between your motorcycle's oxygen sensor and the engine control unit. Afterward, mount the convenient handlebar switch in an easily accessible spot. This allows you to effortlessly change settings while riding, making the setup quick and user-friendly. The Fuel X Pro comes equipped with 10 switchable auto-tune maps, giving you precise control over your bike's fueling. Map number 3 represents the stock setting, maintaining your manufacturer's original fuel ratio. For high-altitude riding, maps 1 and 2 provide a leaner mixture. If you're seeking enhanced performance, maps 4 through 10 offer progressively richer fuel mixtures, allowing you to fine-tune your engine for various riding styles and conditions. With Fuel X Pro, you'll experience a significantly enhanced riding experience. It delivers smoother engine operation, effectively eliminating common jerkiness, especially at lower revolutions per minute. You'll notice improved throttle response and a boost in low-end torque, making your rides more enjoyable. Additionally, the system helps reduce both engine and exhaust temperatures, contributing to engine longevity. It also adapts seamlessly to aftermarket air filters and exhaust upgrades, optimizing their performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.